What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about the stock market as a whole. So, Jerome Powell just came out and stated that we will be seeing an increase in inflation, but it's going to be only temporary. If you look here, December's inflation rate was just 1.36%, and January of this year is 1.40. So, of course, he is correct in the analogy that inflation will increase, and it's because of all this free money that's being thrown into the economy to keep us up as a nation. So, again, this is something that is debatable. But when we go to the stock market, let me go on to robinhood.com. You can see that there is an overreaction in what is being said. So, I like to look at Tesla as a perfect example. It's down again another 6%, 6.92%. And then other stocks I mainly have here, tech stocks, are down. I haven't seen Square like this for like over 2 months. And it's such a great company. So it's sad to see it back down at this level. And this is why I essentially do some swing trading. But as you can see, I bought this stock right here at this price. So I have a good margin of safety, which, is a very comfortable thing to feel in a time like this. So stocks are actually supposed to be doing good in inflation. Think about it. People have extra money laying around, and what happens? They put it in the stock market. It ends up in the stock market. My stimulus checks, for example, ended up in the stock market. You know, I think people are becoming more keen investors. But the fact that this is an overreaction, which is what usually happens in the stock market, we're seeing such a heavy hit with the stocks. And this is with all sectors too. Let's go down to the sectors portion. Scroll down a bit. As you can see, most sectors are being hit. And these are a combination of many days. It's not just today it's being hit. It was yesterday, and then the day before yesterday, and last week was really bad. So I just happen to be in all tech, and tech is getting hit the worst. As you can see here, going from my all picture from its all-time highs of this price, now we're here. I'm not concerned about it at all. I think that this is something that um, was bound to happen. But I didn't think it was going to be this major of a correction, and it may go down even more. But I'm not trying to time the market in any way. Our dollar cost average continue to do that within the weeks to come because I don't know where the bottom is. I think this was kind of the beginning, if you remember, of this was literally the beginning of the coronavirus. It started up like it is right now, and then it went down at least 10%, and then it tried to recover and it just kept going down. So we're actually experiencing it again. The crash that everyone predicted was going to happen. It's happening now. And the thing is just to keep your head high, because I think these are times where people get extremely scared and nervous in the stock market. What's going to happen? All this uncertainty. There is a silver lining. There is the light at the end of the end of the tunnel. You just have to wait for it. So that's kind of that's how I'm thinking about it right now. That's what I have on this topic. And I'll see you guys later.